Thank you, ma'am. You've used double the enthusiasm and zeal of this event.
As we proud to be Indian, तो दिखा दो अपना जोश इन तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ. Now time for some entertainment. जैसे कि आप सब with a graceful performance. So clap for them.
Republic Day. So, welcome her with great enthusiasm in your claps.
All happy Republic Day. Good morning, respected MD Ma'am, Chief Guests, worthy staff members, and my dear friends. I am Sugan and I am here to express my views on Republic Day and why should we celebrate national festivals. Every year, 26 January is celebrated in all over the India to honor that date, 26 January 1950, when the Indian Constitution came into existence. The day is celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism in all over the country. It is the day when India became sovereign, democratic and republic country. Today, not only schools and educational institutions, but residents' welfare associations, corporate offices and apartment communities organize events for Republic Day celebration. Now, I want to tell you the definition of republic. A state or a nation in which the supreme power rests in all the citizens who are entitled to vote and is exercised by representatives elected by them and directly or indirectly by them and responsible to them. Now, why should we celebrate national festivals? To analyze our deeds, that whether they are as per the expectations of those people who sacrificed their lives for making our country independent, and to remember those people and pay true homage to them. Respected MD Ma'am and worthy staff members, I want to tell you that our India was a slave in hands of Muslims and Christians for 800 years, and in these years we lost our dharma and we lost our wealth. These people looted our dharma and looted our wealth and polluted our dharma. It is important to highlight Hindu dharma, which is I'm going to put in front of you all in terms of stories. Once there was a famous saint in Prayag and he was having a very obedient disciple. Once the disciple asked his guru, what is dharma? The guru told him, for this answer you have to go Janakpur and there you will meet a grocer and he will tell you that what is dharma. The disciple left for Janakpur and after 1 week travel, he reached there and he directly went to the shop of grocer. And then he sat at some distance apart and then he watched him for some time and then he gave his introduction to the grocer and told him that, asked him, what is that? The grocer told him, my profession is my good and give appropriate quality of goods at proper rate is my dharma. The disciple learned dharma and came back to the hut of his saint. And the second story goes that once a tree was caught with fire and it was burning like anything, and a bird was sitting on the tree and a passerby saw the bird and told her, आग लगी इस वृक्ष में जल रहे सारे पात, ऐ पक्षी उड़ता क्यों नहीं जब पंख तुम्हारे पास? The bird answered the passerby by saying, फल खाए इस वृक्ष के गंदे कीने पात, धर्म हमारा यही है, जले इसी के साथ, जले इसी के साथ. Now I hope that you all understood the meaning of Hindu dharma. And one more thing about Hindu dharma is that a Hindu thinks that the whole world belongs to him. And it is clear by the shloka. Ayam nijha paro veti, garna laghu chetasham, udar charitanam tu, vasudhaiva kutumbakam, vasudhaiva kutumbakam. This shloka says that the people who think that belongs to him, this belongs to me, are the people of narrow thinking. The deep-hearted person thinks that the whole world belongs to him. And the other aim to celebrate this day, that the coming generation is reminded this day of the aims and objectives of the freedom fighters' life.
इंसाफ की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, यह देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल कर, हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल कर, ऐ बच्चों रखना इसको संभाल कर, ऐ बच्चों रखना इसको संभाल कर। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी तुम याद करो कुर्बानी, तुम याद करो कुर्बानी। देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखें। It's a matter of sorrow that some of us got astray. They forget their duties toward the country, and they shake hands with those people who want to destroy our dharm and want to make our country weak both economically and spiritually. They raid this country in form of terrorism, Naxalism. This hatred got due to infiltration of dharm of those people who, those robbers who ruled us in the past. So finally I conclude that let us have a pledge on this Republic Day that we will save our dharm, our country, and from terrorists, Naxalists, and the dishonest politicians. And let us celebrate and salute the noble cause. It's our country which is shining as it was. It's Republic Day today. Don't forget the efforts. Make it movement of mass. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Sahib. Now, a very small kid, Nadia, is here to recite a very wonderful poem. So, a big clap for her.
All of you, मेरा नाम नदिया है, मैं पहली कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आप जो अपने भारत के लिए सपने सोचते हो, आज आपको वो बताने आ। खुशबू से महके जग सारा, ऐसा फूल खिलाए, वसुधा से भागे अंधियारा, ऐसा दीप जलाए, शीतल शीतल फैले छाया, ऐसा पे लगाए, हर्षित हो जाए हर काया, ऐसा गीत सुनाए, मंजिल आती देती ताली, ऐसा पाँव बढ़ाए, भारत में छाए खुशियाँ, ऐसा सपने सजाए। जय हिंद।
So एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं उस प्यारी सी बच्ची। अब आगे बढ़े आगे हम, ये दिन हमें सिखलाता है, आजादी के भागों में हर सुख आता है। Welcome the super shining kids of group song Azad Hind Fauj by the team of Shuksham ma'am and Usha James ma'am. Welcome them.